Ever wondered if your computer could be your new best friend? Well, imagine having an AI companion that's not just smart but also incredibly creative. Microsoft is breaking the mold and taking a leap into the future with Copilot. But here's the real mystery. How can this AI redefine the way we work, play, and create? Today, I'll fill you in on Copilot and why it's going to revolutionize the way you work and play. Copilot is like your everyday AI buddy, here to assist you with all sorts of tasks, from finding information online to crafting content and learning new things. It's seamlessly woven into Microsoft's lineup, including Windows 11, Microsoft 365, Edge, and Bing. You can use it as an app or by right-clicking on your PC. Copilot taps into your context, user data, and what you're doing on your PC to offer tailored suggestions. The best part? You can have a friendly chat with Copilot. It's user-friendly and available as a free update for Windows 11, which already started on September 26th for compatible devices. If your device isn't quite there yet, don't sweat it. Copilot will soon be accessible on Bing, Edge, and Microsoft 365 in the coming months, so you can still reap its benefits on the web or your mobile devices. Now, let's dive into the fantastic features and applications of Copilot that will truly amaze you. First up, Windows 11 and Copilot. Windows 11 is Microsoft's latest operating system designed for speed, safety, and a sleek look. And when you pair it with Copilot, Windows 11 becomes even more dynamic and productive. With Copilot, you can supercharge your tasks and lighten your mental load. For instance, you can ask it to locate files, open apps, set reminders, or shoot off emails with just a few simple words. Plus, it's an awesome study buddy. You can ask Copilot to explain concepts, solve math problems, or generate summaries of texts. Accessing it is a breeze right from the taskbar or by pressing Win plus C on your keyboard. Now, Windows 11 has also taken a giant leap in AI-driven features within apps like Paint and Photos. In Paint, Copilot can work its magic by creating realistic images from text inputs thanks to DALL-E 3 model from OpenAI. This advanced neural network can turn your text ideas into logos, icons, or illustrations. Just type your vision, and Copilot and DALL-E 3 will bring it to life. In Photos, Copilot empowers you to edit your pictures like a pro. The generative Expand tool lets you extend your photo's background without compromising quality. The Fill feature is your go-to for replacing unwanted elements with realistic content, while the Erase tool effortlessly gets rid of imperfections. It's like having a photo editing guru at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about Bing and Edge. Bing, Microsoft's trusty search engine, and Edge, its web browser, just got a whole lot smarter and personalized thanks to Copilot. One nifty addition is the Bing Image Creator. It's like your very own image designer, powered by Copilot and DALL-E 3. You can create awesome images for things like social media graphics, invitations, and logos. Just tell it what you need, and Copilot will suggest cool designs. But here's what really sets Bing and Edge apart: the personalized search experience. Copilot remembers what you've asked before, making your search results better and more tailored. For example, if you asked about jazz music history last week and today you're searching for music venues, it might recommend jazz clubs or places with live jazz performances. It's like having your own personalized search assistant. If you're into online shopping, Microsoft Shopping is here to make your life easier. With Copilot, you can search for items, get suggestions, read reviews, track orders, manage favorites, and even earn cashback. It's your shopping sidekick. And there's more. Bing and Edge also offer a nifty feature called Content Credentials. It's a way to add watermarks to AI-generated images for authenticity. Creators can include extra information with their images when they export or download them. This helps them get more recognition, connect with others, and make things transparent for their audience. Plus, it's handy for consumers who want to check the source and quality of images they come across online. Now, let's talk about Microsoft 365 Copilot, which is a suite of productivity apps featuring Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. With Copilot, Microsoft 365 gets even more exciting, fostering collaboration and creativity. One standout feature is the new AI chat. This clever assistant is here to make your work life easier. Whether you're drafting documents in Word, analyzing data in Excel, designing slides in PowerPoint, managing emails in Outlook, or collaborating with your team in Teams, this AI chat has your back. It's all about helping you with your enterprise tasks, improving your grammar, offering data insights, setting reminders, and much more. What's impressive is that this AI chat adapts to your needs. It understands your work data, apps, and your specific queries. It's like having a personal assistant that comprehends your style and tone. This chat is both a productivity booster and a learning tool. It can help you explore new features in Microsoft 365 apps and even learn new skills. It's like having a daily AI companion, supercharging your creativity, productivity, and skills. Lastly, let's dive into how COPILOT takes your design game up a notch, especially when you're using Designer, a graphic design tool that helps you create top-notch visuals with ease. Designer uses the power of AI, including OpenAI's DALL E3, to turn your textual descriptions into stunning images. It also brings innovative features like generative expand, fill, and erase to refine your designs. Designer plays well with other Microsoft 365 apps like Word and PowerPoint, making it a breeze to import and export your creations. Think of it as your trusty AI sidekick for swift and impressive design work. Now, the File Explorer gets a fresh look. It ditches the old, complex interface for a clean, modern homepage. It sports a clear address bar and a quicker search box, making it super easy to find and manage your files. But it's not just about appearances. The new gallery feature simplifies photo viewing, almost like having a built-in photo app. Plus, there are updates that help you keep tabs on file changes without opening them. In the era of hybrid work environments, collaborative tools are more important than ever. Microsoft's Surface Hub 3 steps in to revolutionize how we work together. Compatible with Microsoft Teams Rooms on Windows, it boasts a clear display available in 50 and 85-inch sizes. What makes it shine are the AI-enhanced features. For instance, the 50-inch model offers smart rotation and smart AV for a new way to interact with content. But the star of the show is COPILOT in the Whiteboard app. This, combined with the cloud and teleframe, makes brainstorming and visualizing ideas smoother than ever before. As we wrap up Microsoft's COPILOT and its cool features, I'd love to hear from you. Can you imagine a world where your computer is like a creative friend? How do you think AI might change how you work, have fun, and do your daily tasks? Don't keep your thoughts to yourself. Share your ideas in the comments below. And don't forget, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss our latest tech and news updates. Thanks for being here with us today, and I'll see you on our next exciting tech journey.